Hi, welcome to today's class and today's lesson, Writing with Interjections. What are interjections? Interjections are words or phrases used to exclaim, protest, or command. We have strong interjections. They end up with an exclamation point like exclamatory sentences. For example, whoa! Exclamation mark. I didn't think I can jump this high. Where is the interjection here? It's whoa. This is a strong interjection that ends with an exclamation point. We also have mild interjections. Mild interjections can be written within a sentence, and they could be marked with a comma or a set of commas. For example, oh no, I missed the bus. So, oh no is the interjection here. It is a mild interjection as it is not followed by an exclamation mark. It is followed by a comma. The exclamation mark is at the end of the sentence. Let's solve this activity together. Underline the interjections in the sentences. Look at this cute dog. What is the interjection here? It's and it ends with an exclamation point. So is this a strong interjection or a mild one? This is a strong interjection, exactly. Number 2. Ugh, this flu is really harsh. Where is the interjection here? It's ugh, and ugh is a mild interjection as it is followed by a comma and not by an exclamation mark. Number 3. Well, do you think this dress looks pretty? The interjection here is well. Well is a mild interjection and it is followed by a comma. Number 4. Ouch! I burned my finger. Ouch is the interjection here. And is it a strong interjection or a mild one? Of course, it is a strong interjection and it is followed by an exclamation mark. Number 5. As the children were playing near our neighbor's fence, he shouted, "Hey, get away from my fence." Where is the interjection here? The interjection here is hey. Hey is a strong interjection and it is followed by an exclamation point. For further practice on writing with interjections, you could click or copy the link below, the bold one here, to be redirected to an exercise on the material. Solve it and then check your answers when finished. That was all for this lesson. Thank you for attending this class.